In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily rearrange items in Safari start page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Safari web browser. If you are on some website, first off, tap right here at that icon. Then tap Add Plus to get to the start page, and after that, down below here, you can easily find Edit. If we tap at Edit, we'll be able to change the order of start page items simply by dragging them up or down in that way. Once you are done with that, just close it. As you can see now, recently closed tabs is showing above the favorites. In the same way, we can in any time change the order of start page items in Safari web browser. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.